parks, they're the fiber of our background, of our neighborhoods, of our lives.
And now Ideal Park is once again a place to be together, something people are looking for now more than ever.
Now that it is, we walk down there every day and enjoy it and look at it and marvel at it.
And while they might not be all that special from the outside, it's the people in the parks and the ones that rebuilt this one that makes them so.
It's a heartfelt thank you from everybody. But I also need to say, folks of Ideal Park, this is your park. This is your neighborhood park. I ask you to be proud of it, cherish it, invite your family and friends to use it.
In Wyoming, Julie Dunmeyer, Fox 17 News.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good, too. Ideal Park getting a big boost from the DNR to help in that rebuilding.
Yeah, by the way, it was an EF1 tornado that hit the park back in 2014.
All right, taking a live look at Holland right now. As promised, some pretty good-sized waves here on Lake Michigan. We warned you about this yesterday, and it looks like a lot of people have listened to the warnings to beach goers, because there aren't a whole lot of people, it doesn't look like, in the water right now. It doesn't even look like anybody walking out towards the pier heads, which is good news. Don't want to be out there for today with those big waves on the big lake. Current temperatures along the lakeshore, we've got 75 at both Holland and Muskegon, South Haven 73, Kalamazoo 78, Battle Creek 77, 73 at Coldwater, Ionia 75, at 79 at Grand Rapids, 75 degrees at Fremont, and 72 up in Big Rapids. Very low dew points. Not only are we below 60, which is kind of the threshold to it's starting to feel a little bit on the humid side, we're below 50. In fact, we have a dew point of 39 degrees, very dry air in Ionia right now, so the feels like factor is not a factor. Our dew points, and I should say our temperatures and feels like temperatures are almost exactly the same because the humidity is too low to be any kind of an impact. First weather headline, comfortable at night, sunny during the afternoon for the next few days, getting warmer towards the end of the week. Our next rain chance not coming until the weekend. No rain out there right now. In fact, as we look off to our west, there isn't much either. High pressure, the dominant weather feature out on the plains, and that high will continue to slide eastward and over Michigan over the next couple of days. That will give us that plentiful sunshine with that slow warming trend. Hardly a cloud in the sky out there later tonight. We do have partly cloudy skies right now. Those will become mostly clear. Look for lows tonight down to 52, about 4 degrees cooler than we were last night. So windows open, but maybe not too wide, as those nighttime temps could get a little bit on the chilly side. For tomorrow, a few fair weather clouds in the afternoon, but all in all, a mostly sunny day. High temps right around 79 degrees with light and variable winds. So a little bit warmer than today. Yeah, I know Grand Rapids is reporting 79 right now, but that's by far the warm spot on the map. So we'll call it a couple degrees warmer for most of us tomorrow. And then as we look ahead at your Thursday morning, looks pretty quiet out there. A few clouds make a move towards us in the afternoon from a disturbance up to the north, but we're not expecting any rain. Here's the latest on Hurricane Genevieve. This is a storm that's going to remain over the ocean and not have that big of an impact on land. Although the surf is going up in places like Baja California, this will continue to parallel the coast of Baja California and gradually weaken back to a Category 1 hurricane and eventually down to a tropical storm and tropical depression as it moves to the north over that cold California current, which will cause it to weaken. Your Fox 17 7-day planner, pretty quiet weather around here. 79 once again tomorrow, mostly sunny. 59 for Wednesday night. So that comfortable weather continues. And then it starts to get a little bit on the warm side by Friday with a high of 87. Humidity still pretty tolerable at that point, but you'll start to feel the humidity on Saturday and especially on Sunday. Saturday's high, by the way, 88 degrees, partly cloudy, lows staying in the mid-60s on Saturday night. And then we do have a chance of storms on Sunday, but I'll tell you what, folks, it doesn't look like much rain. Some of our models showing only a few hundredths of an inch at best. And then the heat's on next week, highs either side of 90 for Monday and Tuesday with lows in the upper 60s.
All right, thank you, Todd. The DNC